Now, 11 twelfths plus what is 1 3/12? Well, there's 11 twelfths, and there's 1 3/12. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 more twelfths. So 4 twelfths is our missing number. Notice 1 3/12 is the same as 15 twelfths. Here we have 15 twelfths altogether, and if we start with 11, we know that we need 4 more to make 15. Now we have 1 1/8 minus 4/8. So, from 1 1/8, we can take 1, 2, 3, 4/8 away, and that leaves us with 5/8. But rather than drawing it out, if you know that 1 1/8 is the same as 9/8, then you can just do 9 take away 4 to make 5, and keep the denominators the same. So here, 19 twelfths minus something equals 10 twelfths. So they've taken away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 twelfths to make 10 twelfths. Now, 1 6/10 minus what is 9/10? Well, 1 6/10 is the same as 16/10, and to get 9 from 16, you need to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our missing number is 7/10.